Most airdrops promise rewards and deliver pennies. This one is different. It's live on MEXC, backed by an actual exchange, and the reward is clear before you even start. This is an official ZKPass token airdrop hosted directly on MEXC, meaning you're earning a real listed token and not points, testnet rewards or IOUs. By completing the tasks, you get chances to win up to 5,000 ZKP, and these rewards are tied to a real token trading on a major exchange. On top of that, users who deposit and trade ZKP can compete to share an additional 350,000 ZKP and 25,000 USDT, making this one of the more meaningful airdrops currently available. So ZKPass is built around zero-knowledge privacy and identity verification, which allows users to prove information without actually exposing personal data. As privacy becomes non-optional in Web3, projects focus on zero-knowledge technology tend to gain traction and long-term attention. This airdrop offers early exposure to a ZK-focused project without needing to buy the token up front, giving participants a low-risk way to get involved. Qualifying for the ZKPass airdrop is straightforward. You simply log in or sign up on MEXC, open the ZKPass airdrop page, and complete the listed tasks step by step. Each task is clearly explained, and once the conditions are met, rewards are distributed directly through the platform without needing to connect external sites or perform extra claims. Unlike random airdrops that rely on guessing or unclear rules, this campaign has a clear reward structure with no upfront capital required. Everything is hosted directly by MEXC rather than a third-party site, which adds transparency and trust. Instead of scattered tasks and uncertain outcomes, this airdrop offers a structured, exchange-backed way to earn real tokens. There is no token purchase required, so you're earning ZKP through participation, not by buying in or risking capital. There is exchange-backed distribution, so rewards are handled directly by MEXC, which reduces uncertainty around the delivery. It's also beginner-friendly entry, so no wallets to connect, no on-chain transactions, no gas fees. So if you're already on MEXC, this is a low-effort way of earning ZKP tokens and getting early exposure to a privacy-focused project. Check the event page, finish the task, and move on.